In this video, I will show you how to set up a trading environment for algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading is a method of executing orders using automated pre-programmed trading instructions that account for variables such as time, price, and volume. This can help traders to take advantage of market opportunities and reduce human errors. To set up a trading environment, you will need the following components. Data source. This is where you get the historical and real-time market data that you will use to analyze and execute your trading strategies. You can use various data providers such as Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, Quandl, etc. Backtesting platform. This is where you test your trading strategies on historical data to evaluate their performance and optimize their parameters. You can use various backtesting platforms such as Backtrader, Strategy Quant X, Algo Trade, etc. Broker. This is where you connect your trading strategies to the live market and execute your orders. You can use various brokers such as Interactive Brokers, Oanda, Purple Trading, etc. Programming language. This is where you write your trading strategies using a programming language of your choice. You can use various programming languages such as Python, R, C#, Java, etc. Conclusion. Setting up a trading environment is an essential step for algorithmic trading. It can help you to develop, optimize, and execute your trading strategies in a systematic and disciplined way. I hope this video post has given you some insights into how to set up and test a trading environment for algorithmic trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy trading!